Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Are you missing some WhatsApp contacts? Let me show you how to refresh them in seconds. Firstly, you open your WhatsApp settings. Launch WhatsApp and go to the settings in the bottom right corner of your phone. Next step is to allow WhatsApp to access your contact. You head over to your iPhone settings. Next, you navigate your way to privacy and security. Next, you look for the contacts option and click on it. Ensure WhatsApp is toggled on. The next step is to refresh your contacts manually. In the WhatsApp app, tap the new chat icon in the top right corner, then you swipe down to refresh your contact list. You can also restart your WhatsApp. Close the app completely by swiping up from the bottom or double pressing the home button and reopening it. Next, you can resync your contacts. Head over to the settings app. Next, navigate your way to WhatsApp. Ensure you toggle the contact sync off, then turn it back on. And there you go guys, your WhatsApp contacts should now be fully updated. If this was helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.